things you did not know about the most popular actress on Scheme Some Lego Miragla. The young actress plays the role of Rachel Kanatu and she often trends on social media for her antics on the show. She has become a fan favorite. Millions of viewers watch the show to see her next move. The 24-year-old leaves us stunned every night. Her acting ability is unmatched. She is 100% believable and we thoroughly enjoy watching her. Although she has been on the show for a couple of years, she lives a very private life away from the public eye and there isn't a lot of information out there about her, so we have decided to compile a few facts about the beauty. Lego was born and raised in Pumalanga. She went to Mona's Arts House in Pretoria after high school to hone her talent. Lego has always wanted to be an actress. She started acting in high school. The actress is big on charity. She is involved in an initiative that donates school supplies to learners who can't afford them. Scheme Some is her biggest acting role to date.